In this challenge, a group of maths teachers are having a hybrid meeting. Some of them are in the room and some of them are joining online. Our job is to calculate how many are in the room and how many are joining the meeting online. 2/3 of the teachers are in the room and the rest are joining online. After a tea break, 4 of the teachers do not return to the meeting room, but an extra 2 join the meeting online. Now there are just as many online as in the room. How many teachers were in the room at the start of the meeting? At the start, 2/3 of the maths teachers are in the room and the rest are online. After a wee break, exactly half of them are in the room and half of them are online. So we have to work out how many people were actually in the room at the start of the meeting.
You can use trial and improvement, start with a number and keep adjusting until you find the answer.
What would 2/3 of 15 take away 4 give us? 10. 10 take away 4 is 6.
Try comparing different fractions to work out the answer.
Then we need to check, does that match 1/3 of 15 plus 5? What's 1/3 of 15? 5, add 2. Oh, so close, right? We got 6 and 7 for our 2 answers and we wanted them to be the same.
You can use some algebra to work this one out.
Whether we used symbols or whether we used algebra or whether we used letters, we were able to write down expressions for how many people were in the room and how many people were online.
Give it a go.
This challenge was about a maths teachers meeting where some teachers were in the room and some were meeting online. Let's use some algebra to work out how many teachers were in the room at the start of the meeting. Let n be the total number of teachers at the start of the meeting. We know that 2/3 of the teachers are in the room, so 1/3 of them are online. The number who are in the room is 2/3 n and the number online is 1/3 n. After the tea break, the number who are in the room is 2/3 n take away 4 and the number online is 1/3 n plus 2. Since these numbers are equal, 2/3 n take away 4 equals 1/3 n plus 2. We can simplify this by taking 1/3 n off each side. So 1/3 n take away 4 equals 2. And we can then add 4 to each side, giving us 1/3 n equals 6. And then multiply both sides by 3 to find out what n is. There were 18 teachers at the start of the meeting and 2/3 of them were in the room. 2/3 of 18 is 12, so there were 12 teachers in the room at the start of the meeting. And 1/3 of them were online. And 1/3 of 18 is 6. This question could also be done using trial and improvement. Maybe starting with 20 teachers in the room and 10 online, and adjusting the numbers until you get the correct solution. Did you work it out?